Hello, today I'm covering 5 technical questions from the CCNA exam. Review the first question. The first question asks about what can cause Ethernet interface collisions. What are the reasons for the increase in the collision detection counter? The first reason for the increase in the collision counter is this one. Carrier sends multiple access. This thing does not cause the timer to increase. So, the answer to this question is wrong. Then B. The answer is B. When one end of the connection is configured for half duplex during half duplex. This will cause the full detection counter to increase if one end is configured as half successful. So this answer is correct. Now let's look at option C. When a device waits 15 seconds before resending a frame, that's incorrect. Then pay attention to the 30-second byte. When a collision occurs after the 30-second byte, the counter will increase, which is incorrect. So the correct answers ask us to choose 2 correct answers, which are B and E. Let's look at correct answers. B and E. Look at second question. The second question asks about using Cisco's unlimited. What are the benefits of using Cisco's wireless LAN controller? Wireless LAN controller. So the benefit is he doesn't need to configure each access point separately. This one is correct, and the ones below are all wrong. Then it mentions that the automated, autonomous, and lightweight APs are incorrect, and different SSIDs using different authentication methods, that's also incorrect. So for this question, the answer is A. All right. Let's look at the third question. The third question is about PoE switches, specifically the issue of PoE construction. Power over Ethernet PoE is enabled. Power classification covers the functionality of power distribution. So it means that PoE is enabled on the switch. What operations will the power classification cover? For this question, the answer is option A. Because if the port to be monitored is the port to be monitored, its power has exceeded the maximum management value. The maximum management value. That's it. Then it will be shut down. Entering an error, disabled state, an incorrect disabled state. This is the condition, and this is the result. For this question, the answer is A. Option A. All right, let's look at question 4. Question 4 states that during the actual data transmission process, data frames during the flooding process, what situations might occur? So during the flooding process, we can definitely say that the first 2 options are incorrect. We mainly look at these 2. These 2 answers look the same. The front looks the same, but then it says, in addition to the original port from other, it will forward the flooding from other ports in the same VLAN. So the correct answer is C. Option D is not detailed enough. Choose C. All right, let's see Q5. Question 5 is about IPv4. Regarding IPv4, what is the purpose of the range of private IPv4 addresses? So first, let's look at answer A. He said that it allows multiple companies to use this subnet address. And these companies using the subnet address won't conflict. So that's correct. The second answer is to provide for external hosts of the enterprise. A direct connection, that's wrong. It's impossible to provide for external use. The third answer says that ensuring the use of the private range means no need to use it, and that's incorrect. And the fourth answer is also wrong. It says to implement this for all external hosts. Internet security communication. Well, this has nothing to do with security. So this has nothing to do with security. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Let's look at the correct answer. Choose A. All right, submit it. All correct.